Today we're comparing 245 4017 Yokohama A052s to a Hankook RS4, and that's the difference in the height. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's probably about 3/8 of an inch. Where's that sitting? I don't know, it's hard to tell where it's sitting, but it's about 3/8. From there, it's tough to measure the actual tread block, but you can see there's a difference, and that's just one tire. So we'll multiply that by 4, you got an inch, maybe more, of contact patch. Definitely a little bit thicker. Need like a long ruler. Might need to edit this a little bit. So what do you got? You got roughly 9 1/4 inches on the RS4. Whew, geez, that's a big difference. And about 9 1/2 on the A052. It also looks like, if you look at where the sidewall is, there's more of a taper here, whereas the difference between the contact patch and how it tapers into the sidewall is shorter on the A052.